Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use LLC Credit. First, understand that LLC Credit establishes your business as a separate financial entity, distinct from your personal credit. This separation is vital as it protects your personal assets and allows your business to secure funding based on its own merits. Building this credit from day one can significantly enhance your company's ability to access loans, favorable terms, and growth opportunities. It creates a robust foundation for future financial endeavors, ensuring your business stands strong independently. To build strong LLC credit, focus on key indicators like your DNB Paydex score, which ranges from 1 to 100. Ensure all financial activities are strictly business-related and separate from personal accounts. Apply for a DUNS number early, as it's essential for establishing your credit profile with major reporting agencies. Make sure your business information is consistent across all platforms. Consistently demonstrating responsible financial behavior will positively impact your scores, setting a solid foundation for future borrowing needs. Once you have initial credit lines, managing them wisely is paramount. Start with vendor accounts that offer net 30 terms, such as those for office supplies or services, and ensure they report to business credit bureaus. Aim to keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your total available credit, to show financial strength. Consistently paying all your bills and loans well before the due date is critical, as a strong payment history is the most significant factor in boosting your LLC's credit score over time. Leveraging strong LLC credit can significantly accelerate your business growth. With a high credit score, your company can qualify for larger loans and lines of credit, often with more attractive interest rates and repayment terms. This financial flexibility allows you to invest in new equipment, increase inventory, or even expand your physical locations without relying on personal guarantees. A robust business credit profile also enhances your overall credibility, making it easier to negotiate favorable deals with suppliers and secure valuable partnerships for sustainable, long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.